Hi everyone, it's your boy Ricky here for Honeybee Stamps. I hope you're doing well today and thank you so much for being here. In today's video, we are going to be making a birthday card, of course, because it's still, Honeybee Stamps a birthday month. So we're going to be celebrating all month long for their birthday, and we're going to be using products from their latest release, Celebrate, of course. But before we get down to the dust to look at what we're going to be playing with today, just a few things. First, subscribe to the channel. We would greatly appreciate that. Secondly, click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. Third, leave some comments down below. Tell us what you're thinking about all these great products that you've seen this past month. And then lastly, share the love. If someone you know would like this video or wants to celebrate a birthday or wants to get into stamping or just wants to hang out with a cool dude that has a Mariah Carey shirt on, it's the video for them. Anyway, let's get down to the desk to see what we're going to be using today. All right, so we're going to be using the Mini Messages Sassy Birthday stamp set. We are going to be using the Lovely Layers Party Blower. It comes with a stencil and also it comes with a die. We're not going to be using the stencil for this today, but I just thought I would show you that. We are going to be using the shaker pockets that Honeybee just came out with, and I don't have the container, I don't believe. Wait, here it is. So these are shaker pockets for a full front shaker. And we're going to be using some paper from actually it's going to just be this one, I believe. The Let's Party pattern paper. And I'm going to show you those papers here in a second because we're going to be putting some of these blowers together. But this is one of the patterns here. Actually, this one is from Textiles and Textures Celebrate. So we're going to be using this in the shaker card today. So let me go ahead and get the desk set up so that we can start the process of the first step. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to put our blowers together. Now, this is the layering guide to do that with. And I'm going to show you how I'm putting one together. And then once that one is done, I'll come back and show you all the blowers that I made. I'm going to be making a total of 4 of them. So let me go ahead and get the papers out. Again, these are all papers from the pattern paper set from Celebrate. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut out this from this paper. We're going to cut out this from this paper. And then this is going to be from this paper. And then each one of these, we're going to cut one out from this one. And then one out from this one. All right, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and get the die cutting machine ready. I thought I would just show it in the video today because I don't really show it very often. So, because die cutting, it's kind of the same no matter what you do. But I have to realize that sometimes people are new and they don't know what a die cutting machine is. So sometimes we just have to show them. Let's see here. All right, so we're just going to put all the pieces onto the platform here. All right, there we go. And then we have the sandwich. We're going to go ahead and put this, stack it all together, and then go ahead and run this through. Alrighty, and then this is the pieces that we will have left over. We have that, this, this and that, and then these two stringer pieces. There we go. All right, so let's put all this to the side. Now I'm going to show you guys how to put one of these together, but I'm actually going to put 3 more together for you guys. So I will do that off camera, but I thought I would just show you the first one here so you can see what exactly this looks like. Alrighty. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use the layering guide that's right here, and it shows you how to put these together. So we're going to take the first layer here, get this put down onto the paper. It's kind of like a puzzle piece. You just kind of put the stuff together. Then here we are going to put this piece and this piece together. And we're going to glue those together like that. There we go. Then I'm going to take some foam tape and put that behind here because we're going to pop this up a little bit. There we go. And then we're going to take this and put it onto here, which makes it look like the blower. And then we're going to take these guys, we're going to like put them about right here, and we're going to glue these guys together. And then what we'll do is we'll glue this down here. And then this is our little blower. Look how cute that is. So what I'll do off camera is go ahead and put 3 more together, and then we'll be back to start the next process of the card. Okay, you guys, I have made all the blowers here, and these are the little designs that I made. I think they're super cute. We did a little bit of holographic paper on this one with some white, with the candlesticks. I did one that says birthday on it, super cute, with some gold matte. So like that. And then just, you know, the little pink ones and the reverse of that, super cute. So let's go ahead and zoom out here. And we'll work on the next step. And I think that next step is going to be putting the shaker portion together. So we're going to put these to the side here. And so we have the shaker piece here along with the insert. This is what I'm going to be using for the background of this. So I have not put one of these together, so I know that there is a protective sheet that is on top of this. Hopefully it doesn't take me 900 years to get this off because I'm not very good. All right. All right, so we removed the protective layer. What we're going to do is put this face down and go ahead and put our card base in here. And then what we want to do is we want to make sure this is nice and folded. So I may have to get my Teflon bone folder out. So what we want to do is just make sure this is nice and creased, because this has some adhesive on the back of it that is going to be sticking to the back of this. So we just want to make sure this is nice and folded. So that we know that once we start putting this on, it'll stick. All right. So we will do the first one here. And what we're going to do is 3 sides, and then we'll leave the 4th one open so we can put in all the little pieces. 3 sides. Okay, so now we have this one that's still open here. And this is where we're going to put in all the shaker bits. So I just have these sitting around, so we're just going to use all these sequins. Oh, actually, that looks cute just like that. But I think we need to add a little color. So let's add some of these. So we're going to add all of these. Cute. And then, you know what? Let's add some silver. We're just going to make it a party palooza up in this thing. There we go. Probably put too much silver in. It's fine though. All right, so let's go ahead and get this locked up here. I said locked up like it's going to jail. Alrighty. Yeah, I may have put too much silver in there. It's okay though. It'll work out. It's fine. Hopefully it's not too busy. I think we're going to put one of these snarky sentiments on, and we're going to do it in black cardstock with white heat embossing, but let's find out which one we want to use here. I do love this Go Shawty, It's Your Birthday. Reminds me of being out in the club when I was younger. Go Shawty, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Let's see here. I think we might just use that one. Go Shawty, it's your birthday. All right, so let's go ahead and get this out. And I'm going to try to brave this without getting out stamp positioner. We're just going to try to stamp it out. You got to stamp it out. All right. I had to do a Mariah cover there, or a Mariah sample, because I'm wearing my Mariah shirt today. All right, and then this does not have coordinating dies, I don't think. So we're going to have to cut this out. So I want to make sure that when I put this on here that it's going to be like straight, because I want to kind of get it as close as possible since I'm going to have to cut that out. All right. The first thing I need to do though, you guys, is find the spoon that's in here. There it is. All right. We're going to use our anti-static tool here so that we can make sure that the powder doesn't stick to the cardstock. Then we are going to use the ink here. Let's rub this down real quick. And then get some ink onto the stamp. And then we're going to try to do this straight, you guys. All right, my head's going to get in the way for a second. I'm sorry. Okay, that looks good. Let's go ahead and... Ooh, yes. I accomplished it the first time. All right, since I showed you guys what the die cutting machine is, we're going to show you what the heat gun looks like and how this melts, just in case you're new here, so you kind of know what things I'm using for this card. And all you do is you take the heat gun and you hold it up to the cardstock and you just melt the powder. And it's melted. Actually looks okay on that side, so we're just going to cut it on this side. There we go. All right, we're going to have to cut that just a little bit, but we can do this with scissors. If you could see here, kind of the top part, there's a little bit too much on the top. So we're just going to take these scissors. We're going to try to get this straight. Let's go straight across. Perfect. Woohoo! It worked. All right. And then we're going to get these glued on here. And I'm kind of wondering if they should all come up like this. And then we can maybe put this here. Or should we kind of do this situation? And have them like that. I'm kind of feeling them the other way. I kind of feel like they're better off this way. All right, so let me figure out how I'm going to put these on here. I think double-sided adhesive is probably going to be the best for this. So let's try to find some here. Here we go. This usually sticks really good. My only problem is I usually can't get the backing off of it very easily. Although this time I was able to. All right, so again, let's go ahead and get this out so we can make sure that all of these are on straight. Stick this one here. About right there looks good. Okay, just want that to stay there for a second. Yeah, I think that looks good. All right. All right, they all look pretty even. There we go. It's pretty cool there. And then for the sentiment, I think I think I should put it in the middle here. And we're going to use foam tape for that. I guess we will have to go in the center here. Make sure that's even. All right, that looks good. So now all we have left to do is put this on a card base. A really thick card, but that's okay. And I think we're probably going to use double-sided adhesive for this. Oh, the backing, you guys. It's the worst. All right, you know what? I'm nervous, so I'm just going to put some liquid glue on the back of all these in case I don't get it on the first time correctly. And I did it, you guys. All right, there we go. We have the completed card. So cute. It's a full front shaker card. This is actually the first one I've ever made like this. Let me hold this up so you guys can see it closer. Love all that shine. It's like so happy. The person that's going to get this is going to love it. It's just really great and I like it. It's a heavy card, but it'll be nice. Maybe I should put something on the inside. I'll have to think about that. But there we go. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Honeybee Stamps does as well. Make sure that you click the links down in the description to see all the products that I used today, and then leave a comment down below. Leave the word confetti to let me know that you finished this video all the way until the end. So until next week, this is Ricky, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!